What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Get ready because today we have an exclusive first look at an absolute game changer. This right here is the completely redesigned, totally futuristic 2026 Audi Q7. And let me tell you, this thing is a monster. All right, let's just dive right in. First things first, just look at this front end. Audi went all in with this massive new single-frame grille. It is bold, it is aggressive, and it absolutely means business. And check out these split headlights, super futuristic, giving it this incredibly sharp, focused look. This isn't just a refresh, people. This is a revolution.
Feast your eyes on this. Audi has absolutely nailed the rear design of the 2026 Q7. Forget everything you thought you knew about SUV tailgates. This is next level. Check out these OLED taillights. The depth and clarity are insane. And that full-width light bar? It's not just a light, it's a statement. The way the light signature animates when you lock and unlock the car? Pure theater. And that subtle spoiler up top? It adds just the right touch of sporty aggression. Notice how clean the lines are. They've integrated the exhaust tips in a way that's both stylish and functional. No more clunky, tacked-on look here. Everything flows together perfectly, creating a sense of premium design from top to bottom.
But it gets even better when you step inside. Welcome to the command center. You are surrounded by screens, high-gloss black panels, and gorgeous brushed aluminum. You've got the huge Audi virtual cockpit right in front of you and this dual touchscreen MMI system. Everything is seamless, clean, and ridiculously high-tech. The build quality is just top-notch, and this ambient lighting, you can set whatever mood you want. It feels less like a car and more like a private jet. Okay, it looks amazing, it feels amazing, but how does it drive? Let's talk about what's under the hood, the heart of the beast. The standard Q7 is expected to pack a serious punch with an updated 3.0-liter V6 engine pushing out north of 360 horsepower. That's plenty of juice to move this luxury SUV with authority. But if you're a speed freak, there's the SQ7. We're talking about a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 that is going to be an absolute rocket ship. Seriously. All right, the big question, the one you've all been waiting for. What's the damage? How much is this masterpiece gonna set you back? Well, Audi is positioning this as a premium player. Expect the 2026 Q7 to have a starting price right around $65,000 for the base model. If you start adding packages or step up to the Premium Plus or Prestige trims, you'll be looking at the mid-70s to 80s. And for that fire-breathing SQ7, you're gonna need a bigger checkbook, likely starting north of $92,000. So, there you have it, guys, the all-new 2026 Audi Q7. It's got the looks, the tech, the luxury, and the performance. This thing is a total package. But what do you think? Is this the new king of the luxury SUVs? Drop a comment down below and let me know. As always, if you enjoyed the video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss our next one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.